I'm Lynn Moratis. I am the owner of the Goddard School in Columbia, Maryland. My husband and I purchased it in 2020, right before the pandemic. Hiring in general was already a challenge. The pandemic actually made it even a little bit tougher, I would say. So that is really what attracted us to start the program, because we were looking for a pipeline of qualified candidates that were really interested in a career in childcare. So I saw it as an opportunity for me to help others that needed to start a career, and then also for the school to gain valuable employees that were going to become more and more educated along the journey. One of the advantages to the apprenticeship program and the partnership with Howard Community College is that they send us candidates that they've already pre-screened and then allow us to make the decision about that candidate and whether they would fit the culture. We have had no challenges with anyone that we've hired thus far. They've all worked out just as we had hoped. During this rollout of the apprenticeship program, we have been working with the Office of Workforce Development and with Dolly, and that has been an amazing experience for us as well. Dolly is very informative. She's very vested and interested in helping support us, which has shown through the entire process with us. So the incentive through the apprenticeship program with the partnership with the Office of Workforce Development has helped us support the cost of running the program. We're very interested in helping grow them and help further their education, but it also helps relieve some of our financial stress as a school to have that partnership and that support and help. Our school really benefits from the use of the apprentices in this program because they genuinely are interested in what they're doing. They are not here for a job, they're here for a career. So they've chose that, and that shines through in all that they do when they interact with our children. I would recommend the apprenticeship program to anybody that's looking to build a pipeline of strong candidates that want to build a career in the industry that they're working on. Someone that's maybe starting out that needs some education, and then you can offer them the experience to go hand in hand with that. And that's what we've been able to do with the partnership with Howard Community College and the Office of Workforce Development in this program.